Uh, Hello guys. Now I'm going to tell you that how you can import your VS Code settings to the cursor. If you are a VS Code user, so you have set up all your VS Code settings like click settings, after delay settings, auto save settings, any type of setting you have done in the VS Code, and now you have shifted to the cursor and you are using cursor and you want all these extension you have installed in your VS Code or any other settings you have done in the VS Code. So now you want the same settings in the cursor. There is how you can do it in cursor. It's very easy. You can just import the same settings in the cursor. Here this is my cursor. It's same look like VS Code. So first when you install cursor, it look like a white theme and not all settings are applied. But here what you can do, just click on the settings icon. There you can see uh, there is new module called, just a minute. Yes, here click on the cursor in the general setting, just scroll down. There you can see import settings from VS Code, import settings, extension and key bindings from the VS Code. So just click import. So after a few time all your settings will be important. Okay, let's have a great day.